I'm COKER, and I want to talk to you about Wazoo gear. In particular, the Wazoo gear cache belt, the Wazoo gear adventure kit, and the Wazoo gear fire card. These items are phenomenal, and I want to show them to you right now. I'm actually wearing what I just showed you. This is the cache belt and the adventure kit all in one. You gotta have it this Christmas. So check it out. Let's see what's inside. First off, we have a reflective mirror. This is the flare reflective mirror. Got the coating on there to keep it protected. That goes right there in the belt. Next inside, right here inside the pouch, we have a 18mm compass. It's kerosene filled. It will stay illuminated. We have a photon micro light. Can stay running hours, approximately 18 hours at a time with replaceable batteries. We have the SOS micro whistle. Has 100+ decibel sound. Pretty loud. Right here, we had 25 feet of the Technora cord. It has a 400-pound tensile breaking strength on it. 25 feet. We have two zip ties, approximately 5 inches long. Has a 40-pound tensile breaking strength on each. We have 6 high visibility trail markers. Orange for the day, reflective at night. We have 40 feet of Power Pro Spectra line. Has a 50-pound test for fishing line, mossy green. We have a 17-inch braided steel wire saw. Fishing kit. We have 2 safety pins. We have a magnetized number 7 needle. We have 3 number 3 weights. We have also 3 hooks, number 7 hooks by Eagle Claw steel. Next up, we have water purification. This is a 1-liter water reservoir. It can withstand up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit of heat. It comes with 2 water purification tablets, 1 tablet per liter. It has 12-inch by 6-inch aluminum foil inside. It also has a coffee filter inside to strain out all the junk in your water before you go to drink it. Also has 2 Ranger bands, which can also be used for extended fire burn. Excellent to have. Another Ranger band, again, it can be used for extended fire burn. We have 2 feet of 1-inch Gorilla Tape. We have 15 feet of 16-gauge brass wire for snares. We have 2 of the tinder fire plugs. They have about a 6+ minute burn time each. Waterproof. We have a ceramic blade, sharp, also used as a striker, and a ferrocerium rod. This can get sparks up to 5,500 degrees Fahrenheit. And the rest is up to your imagination and what you want to put inside. And this is everything you see in the kit. This is the adventure kit. They also make an essentials kit that has less. The adventure kit is more extreme. You have the cache belt. Put gear in here. Adventure kit is sold separately. Cache belt is sold separately. And the Wazoo fire card is sold separately. Again, your imagination is your own limitation of what you're capable of doing. I'm going to probably put a couple of 20s in there in case I forget my wallet. I've got some way to pay for some gas to get back home. a couple of VC powders, a couple of Band-Aids. I'll probably take this reflective lens here, cut it up to put in there, and I'll also take one of these Wazoo cards. I'll probably cut that up a little bit and put that in there as well. Thanks for watching.